Hello folks, 2 months ago we found out that Samsung may not launch a classic model for the Galaxy Watch 5. The upcoming smartwatch may only be available as Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro models. In all previous generations, the classic model has been the one with the rotating bezel. This led to concerns that perhaps the Galaxy Watch 5 would ditch the rotating bezel for good. While Samsung hasn't confirmed that yet, it seems to have accidentally confirmed the branding for its upcoming smartwatches. Sure enough, the classic model hasn't been listed, as spotted by 9to5 Google after launching the Galaxy Watch 4 One UI 4.5 beta yesterday. The company also rolled out beta version for its Samsung Health app. This list of devices that this beta version supports includes the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. No classic model is mentioned on the list. This may be yet another indication that the classic variant of Samsung's Galaxy Watch is now at the end of the road. So, does that mean that they are taking the rotating bezel away? It is a feature that's beloved by many fans of Samsung smartwatches. For me, the rotating bezel is more than a quirky feature. For some people, myself included, the rotating bezel actually provides functionality in work situations where swiping simply isn't precise enough. So I still hope that the Pro model will have rotating bezel and the vanilla model won't have. I just don't think that all of the other improvements that Samsung introduces with these smartwatches will be enough to make fans forget about the bezel. Anyway, let's speak about those improvements. A new report reveals that Samsung might plan to bring body temperature reading capabilities to the upcoming smartwatch series. A couple of months ago, a report emerged to suggest that Samsung plans to add a body temperature sensor to the upcoming Galaxy Watch 5 series. This report was followed by another one a few weeks later. It claimed that Samsung wants to add this technology to its wearables, but it's experiencing issues with the body temperature reading algorithm, so it may be forced to push back the feature to 2023. But today, new evidence found in the One UI Watch 4.5 beta firmware indicates that Samsung might bring temperature reading capabilities to its Galaxy Watch 5 after all. As seen in this screenshot, beta testers now have a new skin temperature during sleep toggle inside the Samsung Health app. The existing Galaxy Watch 4 series lacks the body temperature reading hardware, which means that Samsung is working on adding the software component required for body temperature readings to One UI 4.5 for future models. But whether or not the feature will be available on the Galaxy Watch 5 at launch is still unclear. Samsung could launch the Galaxy Watch 5 series with a disabled body temperature sensor and enable the module later through a firmware update. Or perhaps Samsung is laying the groundwork for the feature on the software side of things for the 2023 smartwatch models, with no intentions to bring this feature to the Galaxy Watch 5. Only time will tell. But one thing that's clear is that Samsung is indeed developing body temperature reading capabilities for its future smartwatches. Let's hope that the tech will be ready in time for the launch of the Galaxy Watch 5 lineup. In addition, we expect that the Galaxy Watch 5 will bring significant improvement in battery life. Samsung is expected to unveil its new smartwatches in August or September this year. The price is still unknown. We can expect that the new watch will cost as much as the current generation costs, with the exception of the Pro model, which should cost significantly more, at least some of its titanium and sapphire versions. Anyway, I will keep you updated, so subscribe to the channel and see you soon.